Hello and welcome to UC Today. My name's David Dungay. We are here reporting live from InfoComm in Orlando. I'm with Josh Blalock from Jabra. Welcome to the show, Josh. How are you?
I'm doing great. Thanks for coming by and saying hi today.
Fantastic. So, Josh, this week you've got some very exciting news around the Panacast product, some really exciting AI features coming to that product. Take us through that. What's going on?
Absolutely. So just today, we have a press release that just hit the blog, and we'll be talking a lot about that at this event. But we have continued to iterate on the Panacast 50 specifically to bring new value packs. That's how we bring firmware updates, features, etc. to the device. And we have a couple coming up in the summer, fall timeframe that are going to really enhance the in-room meeting experience, particularly when it comes to AI integrations, especially with our partners and their platforms. A couple of those things that we're going to see over the next few months here are voice recognition technology. So you think along the lines of the intelligent speaker device certification category from Microsoft. We are going to be delivering technology on board the Panacast 50 that does exactly that, so that when you look at a meeting recap, for example, as we've just heard from Microsoft about their intelligent meeting recaps, you get individual names in there. It's not meeting room such and such said, it's going to be individual names. Along the same concept, we're introducing facial identity. Microsoft has talked about this. They're going to be identifying, as users opt in, people in the room by face alongside voice. We will be right there with the Panacast 50 doing that. In both cases, no additional hardware. It's a firmware update, right? So those are both coming. Our intelligent meeting spaces is a pretty big deal. You think about those glass rooms that we all work in, open offices. You need to be able to say, look, I want you to focus in as a device on this meeting space. Don't capture the distracting people walking by in the hallway. That's what Intelligent Meeting Spaces is from Jabra. That is also coming. And then finally, we are going to be one of the first partners to enhance and enable the IntelliFrame experience with multi-stream video capability, which is a big deal. IntelliFrame is awesome by itself, but bringing multiple streams in allows for the most flexibility and the most optimized experience to the far end user.
Wow, so lots of stuff going on from the Jabra camp at the moment. AI seems like we're all going to be going to more meetings, better meetings, hopefully.
Hopefully.
Yeah, so tell us a bit about the show. You know, you've got some exciting things going on around us. You know, what's going on?
So on the show floor here, we got multiple stations that really cover all the different use cases that hybrid workers find themselves in. You've got call center, you've got work from home, the in-office experience. And what we're doing twice a day, aside from the fact that you can come say hi and we'd be happy to show you around, twice a day, Wednesday and Thursday, 11 a.m., 3 p.m., we are doing these 360 booth tours where our audience has a seat in the middle here and we'll walk around, that they can get a tour from each of the subject matter experts in these areas. I will be leading these tours, so we'll have some fun. And the tour in of itself will be awesome and informative, but if you're here participating, you are entered for a chance to win one of 2 drawing winnings per day. Each winner is going to walk away with 5 Jabra devices, Panacast 20, Evolve 265 Flex, Evolve 275 speakerphone, the Engage 55, and there is a 5th one, as if that wasn't enough, that I am forgetting. That's a whole lot of awesome kids to walk away with.
That's a memory test right there. Yeah. So lots of exciting giveaways from Jabra.
Yes.
Obviously, this week's all about AV, hybrid work being a big part of that as well.
Yes.
For our viewers watching, what should they really be thinking about when it comes to hybrid work right now, and where that's going to go?
Hybrid work is still a good buzzword to pay attention to, right? But we're all talking a lot about AI. Everyone's talking about AI. Microsoft, Zoom, they're all doing things in that vein. What's important to us at Jabra is that what we develop now is going to maintain relevance, use case, and value well into the future. 2-3 years from now, you don't have to get a new piece of hardware to enable that fancy new experience. You're just going to update your product like we just talked about today, and you're going to have that new experience. So that's kind of how we're approaching it. But I'd say the theme to watch out for is the product that you're evaluating, are the things that you are gravitating toward, are they embracing this new AI way of working? Are you doing things like identifying people in the room? Are you taking advantage of voice recognition, facial technology? And frankly, I think that's just the beginning. I think this AI infusion into the way we work and collaborate and get smarter about that, that's just going to keep exploding at an exponential rate. and the manufacturers that are keeping that forefront of their mind and developing along those lines, I think that's where it's at.
I think you're right, and obviously makes it very exciting for us all as well. So,
Yes, indeed.
Josh, thank you so much for talking to me. Enjoy the rest of the show.
Thank you. You as well. Hope we'll see you here.
And thank you for watching. You've been watching me, David Dungay, on UC Today.